Hi, everybody, and welcome to Ease. In this short chapter, I'll show you how you can customize a company site. So we're on Blue Water Studios, and we'll click on Settings. We'll land on the Optional Fields tab. So we see employee fields, we see dependent fields, and we see enrollment fields. So under employee fields and dependent fields, anything that has a checkbox next to it is going to require the employee to fill in the information when they log in if it's missing. So you can go through here, pick and choose what you want the employee to be required to fill in. Under enrollment fields, if the show health information box is checked, that just means that if an employee enrolls in a plan and the carrier application that's attached to that plan has health questions on it, those would be presented to the employee. Show previous current coverage and show Medicare, those are optional, so you can check the box, but when the employee's going through enrollment, they can simply bypass it if they don't have previous current coverage or if they don't have Medicare. Show employer contributions, you can choose to show this in the plan when the employee is going through either new hire enrollment or open enrollment, and that would also show on their enrollment summary. Also, you can customize the order in which the plan types show. So I will jump over to the benefits section to show you that super quick. So under actions, you'll click on plan type order. So in Blue Water Studios, I have a medical, a life AD&D, a dental, and a vision plan. So if I wanted vision before dental, I can just drag it in front of dental. And if I wanted life AD&D at the end, I can just grab that, drag and drop, and then click save. And that would save the order of my plan types when the employee is going through enrollment. That's how they'll see it as well. So we can see it right here, medical, vision, dental, life, AD&D. So let's go back to the settings page. We've just looked at the optional fields tab. One thing to note also under the optional fields tab is you can set the default pay cycle. So it defaults to monthly. But if you know the pay cycle of the company, you can choose that right here. That way, when you're importing employees via spreadsheet, if the pay cycle isn't on the spreadsheet, then it's just going to default to whatever you have here. So in this case, semi-monthly or weekly. And then if you're adding an employee manually, the pay cycle will just default to what you have set here. So we also have custom fields, so you can create a custom field. Maybe you need to collect driver's license numbers. In this case, for Blue Water Studios, we created a custom field called shirt size. So if I click on edit, I can see that I named it shirt size. And then you can type in the text, small, medium, large, and the employee can choose it from a drop down. You can also choose if you want the employee to view only or be able to view and edit, or you can hide it all together and just the broker company admin can see that. So those are custom fields. And then we have branding. So in the branding section, you need to put in a unique URL. So each company that you build out will have its own custom URL. And then you can add in the header, which would be the company logo, and also a background. So these would be saved to your computer, and you would just select the image from your computer and then save it. So we can click on view login, then we can see this is the header that I added, and then the background, you can see the whites and the blues. So you customize it for the employee when they log in. Last is email templates. So you can create email templates if you want to. We have a login email right here. Under actions, you can create blank ones. So create your own. Then we have defaults. So the login welcome email is a default. So I clicked on create from default. I gave the template a name. And then if I click here, I can choose, is this an email to go out for an employee to log in? Is it for enrollment progress? So you have different options. This is how easy it is to customize a company portal. So if you have any questions, visit support under your user menu. Thank you.